So Mack Defense has the M917A3 heavy dump truck. The 130, stupid 131, the 13 liter, the 131 liter, oh my God, this is ginormous. Here today we're talking about the Mack HDT trucks that the Army's just purchased. They had originally ordered 155 of these trucks for $296 million and just awarded another contract for 144 additional trucks. These trucks will be built and assembled in the Allentown, Pennsylvania location. In order to secure this job for the government, Mack put an additional investment of $6.5 million into the HDT production line. These HDT trucks are powered by the Mack 13-liter MP8 440 engine. The dump truck is integrated with Meritor's drivetrain solution, including the MX810 front drive steer axle. The armored cab design by 10K is fitted with the Janko BlastTech seating, which helps reduce the impact of blasts to increase the survivability of occupants. And it also has the CARC. I don't know how to pronounce it without having a laugh, because CARC, I mean, is that really what they want me to call this thing? Oh, that's the CARC update. And it also has the CARC, the chemical agent resistant coating, which is applied to vehicles to protect them from corrosion, chemical, biological weapons, and offer some camouflage. Speaking of camouflage, hats behind me, camouflage. You didn't see them. On these Mack HDTs, I'd love to see some pictures or some action of them. Let us know if you've seen these around or if you've got any working near you. If you want to keep up to date with the latest news, subscribe below. Or if you have any questions for me directly, you can email me at joshd@tekamohd.com.